What's happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech TRX back in our video, and today we're looking at the Liberty 4 Soundcore by Anchor. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit the notification bell so you can be notified on the next videos to come up, tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. Check out my merch below at 1130.ca. Hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Without further ado, let's open this up and see how well it sounds. Here we go. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. Oh, nice packaging by Anchor here. Opening right there. Boom. Look at that. Over here we get the cable and the instruction manual. Pretty nice. We also have extra earbuds right here. Ear tips. Small, medium, large. Got the earbuds right here as well. Pretty nice. And the charging case right there. That's it for the box. So here is the earbuds right here. And as you could see, this is a slightly different style because it slides up like so. Pretty nice touch by Anchor. The earbud just slides right in there magnetically. Pretty good. Look at the design of that. And then once you're ready, just close it and you're good to go. Indicator light on the front right there that it is turned on. And then USB-C in the back to charge the case. Let's do a fit test now. Doing this side. Boom. What do you think of that? What do you think what it looks like? Pretty good? I think so. Looks really nice. Let's grab our iPhone here. And we're going to go to settings. Bluetooth, and it should be a Soundcore Liberty 4 right there. You just click it and you're ready to pair. Now there is an app as well. It's called Soundcore. We're gonna open that up, and as you could see, it already found the Liberty 4. We're just gonna hit connect. Here you'll be able to update the firmware and also change different settings. The Soundcore Liberty 4 has an upgraded ACAA 3.0 acoustic system. Has two dynamic drivers to deliver crisp and clear sound. The two dynamic drivers align on the same axis, produce high-res sound with 3 times more clarity in LDAC mode. I actually hear every detail from the deep, punchy bass to the sparkling treble thanks to the wide soundstage. The Soundcore app actually revamps and adds a lot more capabilities on the Liberty 4 earbuds, like heart rate sensor and different workouts that you can use. So let's go ahead and check that out. In the app, you'll be able to change the ambient sound and see the battery percentage on both earbuds and the battery case. Here with the active noise cancelling, you can have Hear ID, where it helps adjust the noise cancelling unique on your area and your hearing, which is really a unique feature for these earbuds. As you can see here, we can do an ear canal test, and we're gonna test that out and see how well it does. So it's gonna start to hear the surrounding noise around you, and you're just gonna hit next here, and then we're gonna do a fit test of the earbuds in our ears. And then during the test, we're not allowed to swallow or talk or anything like that. Make sure that the noise on the ambient is not fluctuating too much. And once that's all done, you can do adaptive mode or manual mode. Depends on what you want. So in the manual mode, you'll be able to change or where you want it as well. Because this earbuds also has spatial audio, which you can change on all of them on normal mode, active noise cancelling, or transparency mode. Another cool feature on the transparency mode, and there's full transparency, or you can do vocal only, which is really awesome. If you want to just use vocals, you'll be able to hear people around you, or you can do full transparency if you are taking the train or something like that and you want to hear road noise so that you don't get hit, then you could do that as well. There are sound effects as well. You can change your own custom EQ, or you can use the default that they have here for Soundcore signature. They also have spatial audio as mentioned earlier, or Hear ID sound. I like how they have the Hear ID sound, which is really awesome because you'll be able to test and personalize your own sound effects for your own self, and everyone's ears are different, and that is a great feature to have. So when I first tested the Liberty 4, I didn't really know that they had this feature, but this is the spatial sound, which you can get on like more expensive AirPods. Spatial audio puts yourself at the heart of the music or movie as sound surrounds you from all directions with head tracking. The built-in gyroscope and the spatial audio algorithm tailor the sound to the content you're enjoying. And I like how they added that here. They have one fix and head tracking. The head tracking actually is really good because even if you turn your head, you'll hear the difference on music, which is I think more useful if you are on a movie, watching a movie, or because right now we're just listening to music. Let's try that out, watching a trailer. So here it is, we're watching the video. We're just gonna turn up the volume here as well. So yeah, when you turn your head, there's a difference in sound. Normally, if it's just the earbuds, it'll just like, you just hear the sound and there's no difference. With this, you can really see that there's punchy bass here. Again, it goes on this side now. That's really awesome. Great addition for sure. I have the AirPods Pro and it is pretty similar. I actually feel like the Soundcore does work a little bit better than the AirPods. It's really good. You can really hear that punchy bass as well. Awesome. Of course, like every earbuds, you'll be able to control your music from your earbuds, but here you'll be able to customize it to whatever you want. Having 3 customizable from single press, double press, and triple press, and then there's the left and right side as well. Another cool feature is the Soundcore Wellness, and I think this is really awesome for those of you who are in fitness and you want to track your heart rate while you're working out. You can do this as well. We're gonna compare this with the heart rate sensor that is on the Apple Watch and see how accurate it is. And as you could see, it's doing a really good job on tracking the heartbeat here. And it's pretty accurate as well according to the Apple Watch. In the app as well, you'll be able to track your heart rate daily or even weekly and throughout the month. I'm going to try to use this for the month and see how well it does. They also have workouts as well that you can use so that you can track your BPM while you're working out. Now let's try some music here. Oh yeah, sounds good. So let's look at the bass boosting sound here. Ooh, that's good. Let's skip it to the good parts now. Oh, sounds really good. Right on. On the inside as well, there's a button right here for manual pairing as well, right there. Now, for example, you wanted to change music. So this is kind of like different. You have to pinch it. And that's how you play and pause. There it is. That is the same way if you want to answer the calls. Would be 2 times like this. Pressing it twice will move it from normal transparency mode and active noise cancelling mode as well without going to the app. And that's it for today, everyone. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a brand new earbuds. And these are the Liberty 4s by Soundcore by Anchor. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button as well, so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.